Hi, it's Harjasset, and today I'll show you the Motorola Edge 70 Pro night mode. First, open the camera and right here find the night mode. It can be in more than night vision. Right here, firstly, make sure that your phone is in stable position. You can use a tripod, or if you have a steady hand, you can do it with a hand. Then, right here, you have a timer, the ratio, and more options if you need, for example, a watermark or a super zoom. Then here you can zoom and just hit. Then remember that you need to keep the phone steady for a couple of seconds, and that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.